tutorial will cover the most basic operations for Genetica beginners. I will show you how to open presets, render them, and export rendered images. When you first open Genetica, you will see the Start page. This page allows you to browse all the preset textures that come included within Genetica. They are organized by a long list of categories. To open a preset, click on it. I will select Battered Robot. This brings you to a view of the node tree. As you can see, it's opened a new tab called Nodes. You can think of a node as a single step in the process of creating a texture. This node tree is composed of 3 nodes or steps. A node that produces a dark metal, a node that produces a glowing circuitry texture, and a node that combines the two. In Genetica, information flows downwards. This means the top of the tree usually contains the simple components, whereas the node at the tree's root is the final result. If you want to open a second preset texture, you can return to the Start page by clicking on the Start tab. Now let's open a second texture from the Floor and Wall category. I'm going to choose Blue Floral Wallpaper. Notice now you have 2 textures listed under the Open Textures side panel. You can switch between the documents by clicking. To close an open texture, click the black X at the right-hand side of the interface. To render a texture, the first thing you want to do is select the Render Resolution by using the drop-down menu. You can also enter in a custom resolution. Next, I'm going to turn on anti-aliasing by clicking. Anti-aliasing will increase the quality of the image rendered, however the render speed will decrease. When ready to render, click the Render Texture button. Rendering has opened up a new tab called Results. You can see the image is seamlessly tiling. I'm going to turn off tiling to view the single image. Let's click on Image Slot 2. Now return to the Nodes tab. Click on the glowing circuitry node so that it is highlighted. Now, instead of clicking Render Texture, select Render Branch. We've just rendered the glowing circuitry node in Image Slot 2. We can compare results by switching between the 2 renders. If we did not select Render Slot 2, we would have rendered over the first image. To export our rendered result, click the Export button. I'm going to save this as a JPEG. In the Export JPEG dialog, you can adjust the compression as desired. The dialog will display the original version and compressed version. When finished, click Save.